Denial not ruling it out. Update.
I have not thought about.
Norbert Mao dismisses claims he is eyeing Speaker's seat. The Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs and Member of Parliament-elect for the Ro-Paja Division, Norbert Mao, has dismissed growing speculation that his return to elective politics is part of a calculated plan to secure the powerful position of Speaker of Parliament. Mao, who also serves as President General of the Democratic Party (DP), made a surprise comeback to elective politics in November last year, a move that immediately sparked debate within political circles and among the public. His re-entry came after several years in appointed office following DP's cooperation agreement with the ruling National Resistance Movement (NRM). Speculation intensified after Mao revealed during his early campaign engagements that his decision to contest was made following guidance from President Yoweri Museveni. Analysts and commentators quickly interpreted the statement as a possible signal of broader political calculations, especially given Mao's recent public remarks on constitutional transition, governance reforms, and the central role of Parliament in initiating amendments beyond what is already provided for in the Constitution. These remarks led to claims that Mao's parliamentary comeback could be laying the ground for a future bid for the Speaker's seat, one of the most influential offices in Uganda's political system. However, while addressing journalists at his home in Onyama sub-county, Gulu district, Mao firmly rejected the claims. He said he had never contemplated seeking the Speaker's position and dismissed the speculation as the work of what he termed rumor mongers intent on creating unnecessary political tension. I have not given any thought to that position, Mao stated, emphasizing that his focus is on serving his constituents and executing his duties as Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. He added that political narratives driven by speculation often distract from substantive national issues. Mao has not ruled out the possibility of contesting as Speaker and also openly said he is thinking of becoming the future president, something which looks more of a joke.
I have not thought about the position of Speaker of Parliament. I haven't thought about it. As for my ambition to be president of Uganda, that is a constant. We were supposed to sit with NRM and agree on how to deploy candidates, but it looks like the NRM generally, particularly from the Secretariat, they took a decision that they must fill candidates everywhere, even where they are so weak.
Mao's political career spans nearly 3 decades, marked by both legislative and executive experience. He served 2 terms as Gulu Municipality MP between 1996 and 2006, during which he became one of the most prominent opposition voices in Parliament. He later transitioned to local government leadership, serving 1 term as Gulu District LC5 chairperson from 2006 to 2011. As the new Parliament prepares to settle into its legislative work, Mao's return has positioned him once again as a central figure in national politics. While he has categorically denied any ambition for the Speaker's seat, political observers note that his experience, seniority, and current ministerial role will inevitably keep him at the center of high-level political discussions in the months ahead.